Hello there, and welcome to Creative Possibilities Recap with my Collage Art Studio. Here we'll take a look back at the week's projects, highlighting the techniques, tips, and creations we explored together. It's the perfect way to celebrate your progress and spark new ideas for your collages. Make sure to download our free resources or check out the Collage Art Kit Bundle of the Month on our website. The link is down below. If you enjoy these videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our next creative session. Thank you for joining me today. Enjoy. The creative possibilities are endless. Hello there, and thank you for joining me today. Let's take a look back and see what we created using the collage papers from the Frog collection. We kicked off the week with Sampler Sunday, where we took our free sampler page and created a mini collage. So we explored different ways to tear and cut the paper and lay them out to create the mini collage. Here are some other examples that I explored later in the week. And then I wanted to show you how I framed this one. So this was one of my favorites, so I put that in a frame. And then some other ideas for the sampler is to add some doodled flowers using the same color palette. And then this one, I created an inspirational card, so putting text on there along with the flowers. On Monday morning, we began our day getting into a relaxed flow with a guided doodling session. Here we explored V's and teardrops and arranged these shapes into different patterns within our template. We then took the Jeweled Leaves mandala and added our V's and teardrops to create a beautiful design. On Mandala Monday, we created a mandala using the Jeweled Leaves templates, but then for this one, we created a mandala with the Frog Collage papers. So here we have a beautiful design using the greens, yellows, and oranges from the Frog collection. And we used our skills from the guided doodling session to create this beautiful mandala. We also took the scraps from the collages, put them on a sheet, and then later in the week, I added all these doodles to create some beautiful collage fodder. On Collage Tip Tuesday, I showed you how to create collage paper without any gluing. And what we did is we took our collage fodder from the week before, we placed it in the printer scanner bed, pushed print, and came up with this beautiful paper. I went ahead and did the same thing using the Teal Tango collection and the Frog collection. On Floral Wednesday, I showed you how to create the flowers using the collage paper from the kit. And then we created this beautiful floral collage that's ready to be framed. So within this, we use our skills of making some marks with acrylic paint, so white acrylic paint. We used our fodder from earlier in the week. So here you can see this design is in the background. We used some shapes from the mandala that were left over, and then other scraps. And then moving on to Sketch and Doodle Thursday, we explored this wonderful plant that I found at the grocery store. And we just explored different ways to represent this plant. So at one point, I cut one of these in half. So we got some of these, which was interesting. I tried some more scribble type of marks here, and then some more realistic shapes. And then for our final project of the week on Animal Friday, we created a day and night scene using the frogs. And then one of the exciting things that I found as I explored moving around collage paper, I was able to create these interesting lotus flowers using the shapes from the mandala. So that's the week with using the Frog collection. I thank you for joining me. I hope this gives you a lot of wonderful ideas to continue to explore this bundle. And I look forward to continuing our exploration with collage in week 4.